Hey guys, what's up? So I'm getting ready for my workout on the Peloton. I haven't worked out in 2 weeks, so I'm here in my garage and I'm getting ready to get on my Peloton bike. I have it right here in my garage. So I just finished 30-minute workout with Jennifer Jacobs, 70s rock ride. It totally rocked. I burned, 329 calories. So when you first turn on the Peloton, it comes to your profile page. Basically the first screen is the on-demand screen that features live classes going on right now or going on shortly. Also features most popular from the week, rides that friends took, fan favorite. If you don't have a good fitness level, you have to start at beginner because it's going to be really hard. I started at like classes that were like a 5.5 and I could barely make it through. And now I'm doing classes that are an 8, and that's within 2 to 3 months time of consistently working out. So for sure, it's something that anybody can do, and it's just fun and motivating, and I just love it. Here you have your profile page in the bottom left. You can also gauge like how hard you've been working out in comparison to other workouts. It has total output, distance, calories, kinds of different features. And they also have one more additional motivator, which is achievements. So what I'm doing right now is I'm updating the Peloton. It asks me about sometimes twice a week, but sometimes every other week. They do a lot of updates. I definitely love the Peloton. I give it a super thumbs up, and I recommend it to anybody. Spin classes, for anyone that looks them up, spin classes are $30 a class, depending on where you go. Peloton bike is $2,000, so by the time you went 100 classes on your Peloton bike, which is 3.5 months time, you've already surpassed savings as far as cost of classes versus cost of Peloton. And it just makes sense financially for your health. This is a general life motivator. So you're gonna sleep better, you're gonna look better, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna be more toned, you're gonna be more healthy, and you're gonna have fun. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, or if you didn't, leave comments below. But if you did, smash that thumbs up button, and please hit the subscribe because I'll be doing more reviews. I also vlog. Just stay tuned and I'll be sure to be back soon.